Good morning everyone. Before classes, standard 6, we completed the chapter number 1 and 2. So today we are going to start the chapter number 3, playing with numbers. The first, read this main points of this chapter. First, a factor of a number is an extract divisor of that number. Example 1, 2, 5 and 10 divisible by 10 exactly, because 10, where which table come 1 tens are, 2 5s are, 5 2s are and 10 1s are. So 1, 2, 5 and 10 are the factor of 10. And 1 is a factor of every number, and it is the smallest factor number of that number. To this point, remember, every number is a factor of itself and it the greatest factor of the number. Thus every factor is less than or equal to the given number. The number of factors of given number are infinite. So example C first, find all the factors of 18. The first 18 ones are 18, 2 9s are 18, 3 6 are, 6 3s are, 9 2s are and 18 1s are. So those we see the 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18 divided by 18 exactly. Learn to the remainder apart from this number. No other number divisible by 18 exactly. Those 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18 are all the factors of 18. So here this point means the kind of factors, that means which type doing. Then second point was say find the first 6 multiply of 5. Always multiply, that means tables, first 5. Then in first example, the first 6 multiply of 5. Then 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25, 5 6 are 30. So here table 10 multiply 6 multiply, then table 5 6 are to write. Those that the first 6 multiply 5 are 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Same types 2. Find first 5 multiples of 12. So here first 5 multiply 12. So here table right. But how many times 5 multiply? So 12 5s are right only. 12 1s are 12, 12 2s are 24, 12 3s are 36, 12 4s are 48, 12 5s are 60. Those the first 5 multiply of 12 are 12, 24, 20, 36, 48 and 60. Then next point is prime and composite number. The number of other than 1 whose only factor are 1 and the number itself are called prime number. That means 2. So only 2 table come, 2 1s are 2. 3, only 3 table come, 3 1s are 3. That 5, 7, 11, 13. This number others table not come. That means this all number is prime number. Numbering having more than 2 factors are called composite number. That means 4. 4 where come? 2 2s are 4. 6, that means 2 3s are 6. 8, that means 4 2s are 8. 9, that means 3 3s are 9. 10, that means 5 2s are 10. 12, that means 6 2s are 12. Are composite number. That means which number are come, that means other tables. That means these are composite, and which tables is, which numbers are not come any other table. That means this one called prime number. Okay, remember these two main points. And 1 is the neither a prime number or not a composite number. This one also remember. And 2 is the smallest prime number. It is the only even prime number. All the other prime numbers are odd. And 4 is the smallest composite number. This one remember. The 1 is neither a prime number nor a composite number. 2 is the smallest prime number. And if it is only even prime number, all the other prime number are odd. And 4 is the smallest composite number. And following are the prime number from 1 to 10. Which one? The 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19. The 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43, 47. 53, 59, 61, 67, 71, 73, 79, 83, 89, 97. That means this number any other tables not come. Number are which are divisible by 2 are called even number. This one also remember. Which numbers are divisible by 2 are called even number. And number which are not divisible by 2 are called odd number. Which are divisible by 2, that means even number, and not divisible by that 2, that means odd number. And we can find the prime factor of smaller number by drawing a phase tree. See here, factor tree 24 can be drawn in the following manner. 24, first the 2 12s are 24, and 12, that means 2 6 are, and 6, that means 2 3s are. Same 24, 4 6 are, 4, that means 2 2s are, and 6, that means 2 3s are. Otherwise 2 3 8s are 24, and 8 2 4s are 4 2 2s, that means 22. How many times? 2 2 2 3, 2 2 2 3, here 2 2 2 3, and 2 2 2 and 3. The answer 22 into 2 into 2 3. Then next point is divisible by 2. That means a number is divisible by 2 if it has any of the digit of 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 in unit 1 place. Any numbers, last number, that means 1 place is 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8 comes, that means this number divisible by 2. Same type divisible by 3, that means if the sum of the digit of a number is a multiply of 3, then the given number is divisible by 3. Whose number last, that means 3 multiply, that means table 3 come 2, 6, 3, 6, 9, this type. Divisible by 4, that means a number with 3 or more digit of divisible by 4. If the number formed by the last two digit either 1 and 10 is divisible by 4, that means table 4, table last digit, which number come, this one. Divisible by 5. If a number has either 0 or 5 is the unit places, it is divisible by 5. That means table 5, only 5 and 0 come. 5 1 is 5, 5 2 is 10, 5 3 is 10. And divisible by 6, that means if a number is divisible by 2 and 3 both, then it is divisible by 6. Then divisible by 8, that means a number with 4 or more digit of divisible by 8. If the number formed by the last 3 digit is divisible by 8. And divisible by 9 is if the sum of the digit of number is multiplied by 9, then given number is divisible by 9. And divisible by 10, if a number of 0 is units place, then it is divisible by 10. And divisible by 11, that means if the difference between the sum of the digit at the odd places and the sum of the digit at the even places of the number is either 0 or divisible by 11, then it is number of divisible by 11. Then next point is prime factorism. So what is the meaning? When a number is expressed as a product of its factor which are prime number, it is called a prime factorism of the number. Example C, find the prime factorism of 24. Then 24, what? Then 2 into 12 and 12 2 into 6 and 6 2 into 3. That means 24 2 into 2 into 3. This one method 1 and method 2 24. That means table 2 here 2 12s are and 2 6s are 12. And here 2 table 6 here come 3s are 3 and 3 1s are 3. That means 24 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. List of the factor of the number. That means write all the factors of 12. Solution what? 1 2 3 4 6 and 12. Let me here 1 2 3 4 6. That means all time. Co-prime number. Two numbers are called co-prime numbers if they have only one as their common factors. Example, consider of the number 8 and 15. The factor 8 is 2 3 4 8 because two table come 8 4 and 8. Factor 15 1 3 5 and 15. So here common number, which one? 1 is the common factor between 8 and others. Any number not common, only 1 and that means 8 and 15 are co-prime number. Example C, find the prime factor of 42 by multiplication method and division method, both method. The first multiplication method 42 with 2 into 21 and 21, that means 2 into 2 3s are, that means answer 2 into 3 into 7. 42 14 3s are, otherwise 2 into 7, that means 49 into 3, that means answer 2 3 7. Or 42, that means 6 into 7 and 6, that means 2 3s are 7, that means 2 3 7 are equal answer. A division method, that means this one is a division method. 2 42, that means 21 come in 3 table 21 get 7 and 7 ones are 7. 42 2 into 3 into 7. And now this point completed understanding, and now we start the workbook. Page number 21. We start the question number 5. Write the first 4 multiples of the following numbers. The first value are to we know what here, right? Tables. First 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16. Same 9, that means 9 1s are 9, 9 2s are 18, 9 3s are 29, 9 4s are 36. So question number 2 and 4 do in your homework. Now question number 6. Write the following number from 2 to 50. 1. Prime number having 3 in the unit places. To which number? 3. Prime number, that means only these tables come. To 3, 13, 3 unit, that means 23 and 43. Now question number 2 say composite number having 7 in the unit places. The answer 27. The composite number having 9 in the unit places. So 9, 39 and 49 composite number. 13 and 13 table come, 14 and 7 table come, 9 3 table come. 4 prime number having 4 in the 10 places. Last number 10 places, second last number 4. So 41 prime number only with this table come, 43 and 47. Question number 7. Underline the prime numbers. So which numbers prime number? That means only this one table come. I mean 23, 25, 27, answer 23. 35, 37, 39, the answer 37. 39, 40, 41, the answer 40. 53, 54, 55, the answer 53. 87, 89, 91, the answer 89. 98, 7, 98, 99, the answer 97. Why? Because 23, 24, 23, only 23 table come. 25 table 5 5s are, 27, 9 3s are, but 23 only 23 come. That means this one called prime number. And underline the composite number. That means which table come. That means 13 and 17 only this table come. Other 15, 3 5s. The answer 15. Same 21, 23, 29. The answer 21. 31, 37, 39 to 39. 47, 49, 53 to 49. 53, 59, 63 to 63. 71, 73, 77 to 77. Question number 9. Write the following. The first odd number between 30 and 40. Which number odd? 31, 33, 35, 37, 39. And even number between 61 to 71, 62, 64, 66, 68, 61. Odd number, that means which table divisible not by 2 and divisible by 2, that means this one called even number. Now question number 10. Which of the following number are divisible by 2? Which number? 728, because 2 table, that means 2, 4, 6, 8 table come, that means third 312, 4, 5. First you do all number divisible by 2 and see which number come. Same take 3 divisible by 9 table 9c, then 2 and 3 both number 5, 10 and 11. So you this one do in your homework and see which number table will come or not. Now question number 17. Find all factors of the following numbers. Their factors, that means 30. So 1 30 is a 30, 2 15 is a 30, 3 10 is a 30, 5 6 is a 30. That means the factor of 30. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15, 30. So 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15, 30. Same 42. That means 1 42 is a 42, 2 into 21 42, 3 into 14 42, 6 7 is a 42. The factor of the 42 which come? 1, 2, 3, 6. That means 7, 14, 21 and 42. Same type question number 3 do in your homework. Now question number 18. What say? Find the following number as the product of their prime factor. So we know which type of prime factor. 48. First 2, that means 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 24, then table 2 to 12, 2s are 24, then 2, that means 6 2s are 12, and then 2, that means 3s, and 3 1s are 3. How many? 2, 2, 2, 2, 3. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. 72, that means 2, 72, that means 36, then table 2 36 divisible by then 18 come. 2 18, that means 9 come, 9 2 is 18, then 3 table, 9 where come? 3 and 3 1s are 3. So 72 that means 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3, 2 into 2 into 2, 3 into 3. Same type 56 doing your homework. Today we are doing only this one. Next period we completed full this chapter. Okay.